Gaming enthusiasts, listen up. The future of handheld gaming has arrived with the groundbreaking OneXSugar from Onex Player. This isn't just another Android gaming device. It's the world's first transformable dual-screen handheld that completely redefines portable gaming as we know it. Powered by Qualcomm's cutting-edge Snapdragon G3 Gen 3 chipset, the OneXSugar delivers console-quality performance in an incredibly versatile form factor that adapts to your gaming needs. And here's the best part. By signing up now, you can secure an exclusive 30% discount before this revolutionary device hits the market. Let's dive deep into what makes the OneXSugar so special. At its heart lies the powerful Snapdragon G3 Gen 3 processor, featuring an advanced 8-core Cryo CPU architecture that handles even the most demanding Android games with ease. The integrated Adreno A32 GPU takes mobile graphics to new heights with support for ray tracing technology, bringing realistic lighting and shadows to your gaming experience. Combined with Fast Connect 7800 for blazing fast Wi-Fi 7 connectivity, this hardware powerhouse ensures buttery-smooth gameplay whether you're playing native Android titles, streaming from cloud gaming services, or diving into retro emulation. But the real game-changer is OneXSugar's innovative dual-screen design. The device transforms effortlessly between different configurations to match your gaming preferences. Want to play classic Nintendo DS or 3DS games the way they were originally intended? The dual-screen setup provides an authentic experience that no single-screen handheld can match. Prefer traditional handheld gaming for Android titles or emulated classics? Simply switch to single-screen mode and enjoy your games on a larger display. The magnetic controllers are completely detachable and repositionable, allowing you to customize the layout for maximum comfort whether you're playing action games, RPGs, or anything in between. The versatility doesn't stop there. The OneXSugar's transforming design enables multiple usage modes beyond just gaming. Need a productivity boost while traveling? Use one screen for reference material while typing on the other. Watching videos while browsing social media? The dual-screen setup makes multitasking a breeze. This level of flexibility is unprecedented in the handheld gaming market and sets the OneXSugar apart from every other device out there. Onex Player, the company behind this innovation, has already successfully delivered 9 crowdfunding campaigns from their San Diego headquarters. Their track record proves they know how to turn ambitious concepts into real products that satisfy backers. For the OneXSugar campaign, they're offering early supporters an incredible 30% discount just for signing up with their email address before the official launch. This is your chance to get this revolutionary gaming device at a fraction of its retail price. The OneXSugar represents a major leap forward for handheld gaming technology. It combines the raw power needed for today's most demanding games with the versatility to handle multiple gaming styles and use cases. Retro gaming enthusiasts will love the authentic dual-screen experience for classic Nintendo titles. Android gamers will appreciate the premium performance and controls. Cloud gaming fans will benefit from the Wi-Fi 7 connectivity and high-quality display. No matter what kind of gamer you are, the OneXSugar has something to offer. Joining the OneXSugar community gives you more than just early access to this innovative device. Backers can connect with other gaming enthusiasts on the official Discord server at discord.gg/WSEK4PB6RX to discuss the latest updates, share gaming tips, and be part of the development process. The community is already buzzing with excitement about the possibilities this dual-screen handheld unlocks. As we look to the future of portable gaming, devices like the OneXSugar are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The combination of cutting-edge hardware, innovative design, and versatile functionality creates a gaming experience that simply can't be matched by conventional handhelds. Whether you're a casual gamer looking for something different or a hardcore enthusiast demanding the best performance, the OneXSugar delivers on all fronts. Don't miss your chance to be among the first to experience this gaming revolution. Sign up now to lock in your 30% discount and stay updated on the campaign's progress. The OneXSugar isn't just another gaming handheld, it's a glimpse into the future of portable gaming technology. And that future is available today for savvy early adopters who recognize true innovation when they see it.